Now let's look at the overview of the processes that you need to undergo to import from Bangladesh down to Nigeria. Now the first thing to do is to go and look for suppliers. Now you can get suppliers for different types of clothing, different types of clothing, trousers, whatever you want to import from Bangladesh. You can get them from Facebook, YouTube, and Alibaba. I'm going to demonstrate all these things for you, how to get them from Facebook. Now, when you go to Facebook, let's say you want to get your supplies from Facebook, and then you browse through Facebook, and then you see the clothes that you like, the ones that you have selected and from you want to import to Nigeria. You are going to see the number of the suppliers or the manufacturers. Now, these people, they do not hide their number, they put their number on their Facebook page, on their post, so that you can contact them directly on WhatsApp. Now you add them on WhatsApp. Now you will see some numbers with that will start with plus 880. Then the other numbers will follow it. This plus 880 is their short code, just the way we have plus 234 in Nigeria. Then other numbers will follow at the back. Now sometimes you will see some numbers that they will not add this plus 880, but the other numbers at the back will be added. So just for you to add the plus 880 to it and then chat them on WhatsApp. Now, when you chat them on WhatsApp, you send them the picture of what you want to buy. You do a video with them. They show you the video. They show you the things that the clothes that you have showed them the picture that you want to buy. They show you the clothes. You do a video. They record for you. They show you the how many they have in stock, and then you ask them for the GSM of the clothes, the ratio of the clothes, the ratio of the clothes, the MOQ, the price of the clothes. You get their quotation. The quotation involves the GSM, the ratio, the MOQ, the price. So you inquire from them, from this supply. From the first video, I told you that when you want to get a particular cloth, you need to look for like five different suppliers for that cloth. When you inquire from Mr. A of his GSM, his ratio, his MOQ, you go to Mr. B, the same clothing, you show him, I want to buy this so and so clothes. I'm from Nigeria. I want to buy this so and so clothes. Okay, what is your GSM? What's the GSM of the clothes? What's the ratio? What's the MOQ? It tells you, you go, that's how you, what's the price? That's how you compare the price and everything. Then before you get to a conclusion, okay, I'm going to follow maybe Mr. C to buy this particular clothes. So paying and shipping agent. Now, in Bangladesh importation, you cannot do without your paying and shipping agent, because it is this agent. Now, when you have seen a supplier that you want to buy from, you are going to now tell the supplier that I have an agent that is going to pay the money to you. So you are going to now tell the supplier to calculate your goods that you are buying. He should write your invoice for you with your name on it. Then when he's done preparing the invoice, he's now going to send the invoice to you. Then you will now forward to your agent. The agent is now going to see the invoice and how much is in it. He's now going to calculate the exchange rate and tell you, okay, you are paying so money. So the agent is now going to send you their own Nigerian number. Then you will just send Naira directly to the agent's Nigerian number. And then the agent is going to confirm your payment. And when he confirms your payment, that your payment has gone, he's going to give you his warehouse address, and you are now going to forward the warehouse address to the supplier on WhatsApp. Then you also tell the supplier that, okay, I have made payment to my agent, and when the agent confirms the payment, he's going to contact you. You also give your supplier the number of your agent to chat with your agent as well. So as soon as the supplier confirms, your agent confirms your payment, he's now going to chat the supplier up and tell the supplier to deliver the goods to his own warehouse. That is the warehouse of the agent. The supplier now, the agent is now going to tell the supplier, okay, I've received the payment from this guy. Now you are going to deliver the goods to my warehouse. Then as soon as the goods come, I confirm the goods and the quantity of the goods. I'm going to now pay you your money. So the supplier now will now ship the goods or maybe the goods from his own warehouse to your agent's warehouse. And then as soon as it gets there, as soon as the agent receives the goods, he's now going to pay the supplier the money. And then your agent is now going to consolidate your goods. Maybe he's now going to arrange your goods, package it, and then he's now going to ship it down to Nigeria. Now they have two methods of shipping. There's the air cargo and then there's the sea shipping. And sea shipping takes up to 2 months. So when you are using sea shipping, it takes up to 2 months from your goods to arrive from Bangladesh to Nigeria. Then for air cargo, it takes 7 to 10 days, at most 2 weeks. Now when your goods is coming, when you want to ship your goods down to Nigeria, there are two places that your goods is going to land if they ship it from Bangladesh to Nigeria. It is either going to land in Lagos or Kano. Now, before you ship down, you are going to choose where is more closer to you. Is Kano more closer to you or is Lagos more closer to you? If Lagos is more closer to you, then you tell your agent to ship your goods down to Lagos so that as soon as it gets to Lagos, then you go collect your goods. If Kano is also close to you, tell your supplier, your agent, ship my goods down to Kano so that when it gets to Kano, I go collect my goods. Now, we are going to stop here for this section, and the next section we are going to talk about GSM. So, see you in the next video.